Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in this video I am going to discuss HashSet. Okay, and means how to create HashSet and some important methods of HashSet. So let's start. So for create an HashSet, at first we have to import Java util package. Okay, so like import Java util.star. Okay, so then you have to write HashSet integer, then it is equals to new HashSet. So this is our HashSet data type. Means here I have created an integer type HashSet. Okay, if you want to create string type HashSet, then you have to write string. Okay, and this HS is the HashSet class reference object. Okay, and here you have used any other name as well. Whatever you want, you can use the obj, you can use every, but here I have used HS. This just denotes the HashSet class reference object. Okay, and this is the data type of the HashSet. So this is all about how to create an HashSet. Okay, so now how to insert elements in HashSet. So for insert elements in HashSet, you have to use add method. So here I have created a integer type HashSet. So I can only use integer type values because I have created integer type HashSet. So I can only insert integer type values. Okay. So how to use this add method? Let's see. So at first HS dot add, then 8. Okay, dot add 7, then dot add 6. Okay, okay, so now print this HashSet. Okay. Okay, so this is our HashSet. As you can see, the sequence of the numbers is not same. It can possible. Okay, but all values is now inserted in our HashSet, but the sequence of the numbers is not same. It can different. It may different. Okay, so now. This is all about how to insert an elements in HashSet. You can also use collections also for insert any collection in HashSet. You have to use add all method. Okay, so now I think it's clear how to create an HashSet and how to insert elements in HashSet. So basically, this add method returns the Boolean value. Okay, it has this add method is returns the Boolean value. If this 8 element is successfully inserted in the HashSet, then this add method will return true. If any element is not inserted in the HashSet, then this add method will return false value. Okay, I think it's clear. Means that add method returns the Boolean value. Okay, so now discuss an important method in HashSet. So how to check any particular element is present in a HashSet or not. For checking this condition, you have to use contains method. Okay, so how to use this contains method? Let's see. And it's very simple. Just you have to write HS dot contains. Okay, and then the object name, like object name is 9. Okay, means object is 9. Okay, then so this contains method is also return the Boolean value. Means here I think like if I write system out dot println, okay, out. So this method will this method will return only the boolean values. Okay, true or false. So this 9 is not present in this hash set, right? So this method should return false value. Let's see what will be our output. As you can see, our answer is false because this is obvious, right? Here I have inserted only 6, 7, 8. 9 is we are not inserted 9. So obviously it will return false. What if I write here 7? Then it will return true because here I have inserted 7, right? So obviously in this hash set the 7 is present. So that's why it will return true. Means contain method is used to check any particular element is present in a hash set or not. So in coding, this method will help you a lot. So just try to remember this method. Okay. So our next method is isEmpty method. So basically this method is used to check any hash set is empty or not. I think it's very simple. Just we have to write like system dot out dot println hs dot is empty. Okay. So this method is just used to check any hash set is empty or not. If any hash set is empty, then it will return true. Like if any hash set is like empty, then it will return true. If any hash is not empty, then it will return false. Okay. Right, is obviously because in this hash set here in this hash set there have some elements, right? Like 6, 7, 8 means it hash set is not empty. So that's why this method will return false because this hash set is not empty. Okay. If like if what if I create another hash set like which is 1, okay, and it's 1. So now it will return true because obviously because in this hash set I haven't inserted any value. That's why this will return true. Means this will return true because in this hash set they have no element present. Okay. So now our next topic means next method is remove method. Okay. Now we'll discuss remove method. So basically remove method is used to remove any element from a hash set. Okay. So basically how to use the remove method is see. So from this hash set, HS hash set, we will remove some elements. Like here we want to remove this 7. So how to remove this element from this HS hash set? HS hash set. So let's see. Just you have to write HS dot remove. Okay, and then the object name, right? Here your object name is like your object is 7. Okay, this is your object you want to remove. Okay, and this method is also return boolean value, like if boolean b right. Here you can see our output is 2 because obviously because this 7 is present in this hash set. Now you have removed this 7 and this method is returned the boolean value. So that's why this method is returned the boolean value and the boolean value is true because this 7 is present in this hash set. Okay, and that's why this statement is print the true value because this method is successfully removed 7. Okay, what if we are trying to remove 1, right? Here it will return false because this one is not present in this hash set, right? So to remove any collection from a hash set, then you have to use remove all method. Okay, so here I have just discussed about how to remove an object from hash set. You can also remove a collection from hash set. For remove any collection from hash set, you have to use remove all method. Okay, so this is all about remove method. Okay, so our next very important method is size method, means hash set size. So like here is our hash set size is 3. So like here I am writing system dot out dot println it is search size search size. Okay, our hash set size is 3 because in this hash set I have inserted 3 elements, right? So that's why this size method will return 3. Okay, and this size method will return the integer value. Always remember, and this method will help you load in your coding. Okay, I think it's clear. So now if you want to set into an array, so how to change any hash set into an array, you have to use to array method. Okay, and this to array method will return object type array, means objects ob equals to hs dot to array. Okay, so now our hash set is now converted into an object type array. Okay, means this method is return the object type array. So this all about how to convert an hash set to an object type array. Okay, now you can also print that object also, like for object from like hobby. The 6, 7, 8. So this is how you can convert a hash set into an object type array. Okay, all clear up to date how to convert a hash set into an object type array. Okay, how to remove an element, how to check any element is present in a hash set or not, how to find out the size of a hash set. Okay, and this size method and this content method will help you load in your coding. Okay, that you remember these two methods because these two methods are very important method. Okay, so now our next method is clean method, but before discuss about this clean method, let's see how to traverse a hash set. Okay, so there have so many techniques to traverse a hash set, but I think for each loop to traverse a hash set is very easy. I think using for each loop is the easiest way to traverse a hash set. Okay, like for then you have to see what is your data type of your hash set. Your data type of your hash set is integer, right? If your data type of your hash set is string, then you have to write string type data. I think like int n. I think this is the concept for each loop. I think it's totally I think you know how what is for each loop. If not, I will discuss what is for each loop here also, but let's see. Then hs, then then means here you have to write the data type, means this hs is like integer type hash set, right? Then you have to take a integer type variable. Like HS is an integer type hash set, then you have to write int, then any variable. Okay, then you have to write system dot out dot println. Okay, n. So this is all about how to traverse a hash set using for each loop. You can traverse a hash set. That is not a difficult thing. Like HS is an integer type hash set. That's why I have said int n. If your hash set is a string type hash set, then you have to write string s. Like whatever. Like this is the name. Just you can use any other name like n, I, o, p, whatever. It's not. It's up to you. Okay. So this is how you can traverse a hash set. Okay. So this is all about how to traverse a hash set. So now our next point is next method is clean method. Means how to remove all the elements from a hash set. Thus you have to write hs dot clean. Okay. So using this method you can remove all the elements from the hash set. What if you now print this hash set like now, as you can see, using this method we can remove all the elements from the hash set. From our hash set means our hash set is hs, right? Okay, what if I check this is empty method, now it will return true because now our hash set is empty, right? That's why now now this method will return true. Okay. Okay, I think it's clear. What is empty method? Is empty method just check any hash set is empty or not. Okay, this is how you can traverse a hash set. Okay, and this is how you can convert a hash set into an object type array. Okay, and this is how you can remove a method, remove an element from a hash set. Okay, and this method will return boolean value. Okay, and this is empty method. This is contain method. Any element is present in a hash set or not. Okay, and this method is also return the boolean value. This method is return the size of the hash set, and this method return the integer type value. Okay, and this is how you can add elements in a hash set. Okay, and this method is also return the like this will also return the boolean value. Okay, so this is all about some important methods of hash set. So now see a program on hash set. Okay, for better understanding. So basically hash set has a special property. It only stores the unique elements. Okay, and it does not store the duplicate elements. Okay, so now what is our program? Our program is calculate the number of unique elements of an array. Okay, so at first take an array. Okay, arr equals to like 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so now the length of the array is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? Just print that value like system dot out dot arr and println arr dot length. Okay, just a second. Update. Okay, so this will return the length of the array. So now if I insert all these values in a hash set, then how to insert all the values in hash set? As you know, we have to use add method to insert values or insert the elements in a hash set, you have to use add method. Okay, so at first create a hash set. Hash set integer equals to new hash set, and then import the creative from start. Okay, so here I have created a hash set, and for add elements in a hash set, we have to use add method. So for in I equals to 0, I less than a r so the length I plus plus. Okay, and then h is dot add arr of 1. Okay, now as I have already said, hash set will only store the unique values, right? Means 2, then 3, then 4, then 5. These 4 elements will store in your hash set. Okay, so now if I print this hash set like system dot out dot println n h is so size. Okay, it will return 4, but our array length is 6, right? Because they have two duplicate elements 2 and 3. These 2 and 3 will not inserted or will not store in this hash set, right? It means that's why this hash set will return 4. Let's run this code and let's see what happened. Okay, as I have already said, the range of the array is 6. Hash set does not support or does not allow the duplicate elements. That's why it will return 4, because these 2 and 3 have 2 times. So that's why it will only insert it 2 and 3 for 1. For only one time it will store these 2 and 3. Okay, duplicate element is not allowed in hash set. Okay, so that's all about hash set. It's all for my side. If you have any questions, then you can ask me in the comment section. And if you like my videos, then don't forget to like, share and comment. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.